Introduction to suprasegmental features. Suprasegmental features are quite important because there is one specific field related to the study of suprasegmentals, and we call that suprasegmental phonology. Within suprasegmental phonology, we are focusing on the aspects of sounds which are beyond segment level, right? So what is meant by suprasegmental? Suprasegmental are the features, the aspects where the sounds are, the features are studied beyond the sound level individually, right? Because the segments are not important. The segments are not studied individually, right? But we are studying on something which is beyond segment level. Supra, beyond. So beyond, above the segment level. So we are studying on those features which are applied, which are superimposed beyond segment level, right? So in suprasegmental features, we are involving the features which are more than one segment, right? Like in the study of phonetics and phonology, we have been studying sounds individually, right? Like one sound and the features of that sound. Like a sound, for example, per. Per is bilabial, per is voiceless, right? Per is a stop. So what are these? These are the features in which we are studying per as a segment, right? So within suprasegmental, we are focusing on the features which are beyond that segmental level, and the individual identity of the sound is not really important. So that is called a suprasegmental aspect of the study. So aspects of speech which are not based on one single consonant or which are not based on one single vowel. So we are studying sounds together and the superimposition of something, right, above that segment level. That is suprasegmental features. Features which are independent of the categories required for describing segments, right? Those categories which are independent of the individual features, right? The example which I just gave is the per is a bilabial, is a stop, is a voiceless, right? So when we go beyond this level, because these were the individual features of per, when we go beyond this level, then that is called suprasegmental features. And the principal suprasegmental features are the syllable, right? Syllable, because in syllable, more than one sound is involved. Then stress, right? Like how is stressed, applied? What is the function of stress, right? What are the forms of stress? What are the categories of stress? So these are the principal features of suprasegmental features. And length, right? So how length is a syllable, for example, right? Then tone, of course, tone, like the study of pitch at word level, and then intonation, like the study of stress at sentence level. So these are the principal features, suprasegmental features, which are the study focus within suprasegmental features, right? And segmental features, for example, are when you talk about the airstream mechanism for a specific speech, right? Sound. So that is the airstream mechanism, or the states of the glottis, that whether the state is open or it is closed. So that is again at segmental level, okay? And then within segmental level, we talk about that what is the primary articulation and then what is added like the secondary articulation. So these are the studies which are done at segment level, or what are the formant frequencies like the F1, F2, and F3 for one individual sound, right? So what happens is that within these four categories, we are studying those features which are at segmental level. But within suprasegmental feature and within suprasegmental level, we would go beyond these features at one segment level. We would include more than one segment. We would include the categories, the units, which are more than one segment. And that's the subject matter of suprasegmental features, right? So suprasegmental features are the features which involve more than one segment, okay? And that are applied at above segmental level, like tone, intonation, stress, and syllable, these or juncture. So these are the points which would be covered within this discussion on suprasegmental features.